Hi, welcome you all in my channel. Here you can see the C programming solutions for class 11 students. Questions number 1. Input to different numbers and find the sum, difference and product of those numbers. In solution, first we have to write #include stdio.h. This line includes the standard input-output library, which is necessary for using functions like printf and scanf. #include conio.h is a preprocessor directive that includes the console input-output (IO) header file in C program. When void main is used, it means that the main function does not return any value to the operating system upon its completion. The keyword void before main signifies nothing or no type. A and B are declared as integer variables to store the two numbers input by the user. S, D, and P are declared to store the results of the corresponding arithmetic operations. CLRSCR is a function from the conio.h header file that is used to clear the console screen. Printf, enter to different numbers, prompts the user to input two integers. Scanf, %d, and A and B reads two integers entered by the user and stores them in A and B. The %d format specifier is used to read integers. Printf, sum is equal to %d\n, s, prints the sum. Printf, difference is equal to f%\n, d, prints the difference. Printf, product is equal to %d\np, prints the product. Getch is a function that reads a single character directly from the keyboard but does not display it on the console screen. This function waits for the user to press a key and returns the ASCII value of the key pressed. Question number 2. Input a number and print square and cube of the number. If you have understood the previous program, then it will be easy for you to understand this, but you must know the formula of this program. If any confusion or it may be difficult for you to understand, then you can comment. Question number 3. Input 3 numbers and print the average of the numbers. The solution of this is also so simple, you can understand it easily. Question number 4. Input a radius and find the area of a circle. The solution of this is also so simple, you can understand it easily. Here one extra point you can see, hash define pi 3.141. Hash define pi 3.141 is a statement that defines a macro named pi with a value of 3.141. It tells the preprocessor to replace every occurrence of the symbol pi in the code with the literal value 3.141 before the compilation process begins. Hash define. This is the preprocessor directive that starts the macro definition. Pi, this is the name of the macro, symbolic constant, being defined. It represents the value of pi, a mathematical constant. 3.141. This is the value assigned to the macro pi.